Woo, jumper. Today I'm going to explain why this is the best pattern for stock trout. Today I'm going to give you some 101 tips for trout fishing stocked trout. Now this is going to be for on the fly rod, so there's multiple ways like power bait and stuff like that. This is going to be for beginning fly fishermen after their first trout. Just got a 9-foot 5-weight fly rod here. I've got a split shot on the line right here, and then following it about 8 inches below is this little egg pattern. And the reason why I chose the egg pattern, as you guys are gonna see, is that it's not that these stocked trout love eggs. The stocked trout have been fed little pellets their entire life up to being released. So if you can find and present anything in a spherical shape, they're gonna think that it's just the pellets that they have been eating a long time, for most of their life. And I add the little split shot because that's gonna help the bait, the fly, get down to the strike zone. Now we are fishing around this little cove. You can see there's a little undercut in the rock there, but there's at least 15 trout in there. And what you're gonna do is you don't really have to cast, especially in a tight area like this. You're just gonna let out some line and just kind of swing it and just let it drift in front of them. There we go. It's on the egg, you guys. Come here. Yeah, he's hiding. Woo, jumper. What a beautiful fish. Nice rainbow. Pop out just like so. He's ready to go.